Top Cat is presented by Kellogg's. Kellogg's Cereals, the best to you each morning.
Hi, I'm writing a television commercial about Kellogg's Raisin Bran. Let's start with music. Then, a picture of the package. Next, pour into a bowl. Just look at those big, sweet raisins and those husky bran flakes. You know, in Kellogg's Raisin Bran, you get the good of the wheat, the sweet inner berry plus the outer layer of bran, flaked and flavored Kellogg's special way. Add milk. Now, a satisfied user, like me. And that's how it's done. Of course, I don't think up all the words. Sometimes I refer to this big dictionary.
Kellogg's Raisin Bran. Sounds like fruit and flakes and fun.